Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change and customize keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, we're gonna have to open settings on this device and then navigate down to General Management menu. In this General Management menu, we're gonna have to select Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now, what we can do here is navigate to Style and Layout and basically adjust and customize the style for our theme. So we can enable or disable keyboard toolbar. We can enable or disable high contrast keyboard. We can change the theme for our keyboard and also see the preview at the bottom of the screen. We can change the mode. And we can also change size and transparency in this menu. We can change the size by moving the sides and the corners of the keyboard and change the transparency using this slider, and reset settings if you want to. And for layout, we can basically adjust the layout for characters present, special characters that are present on our keyboard. We can also select either default or alternative symbol layout on our keyboard, and then you're gonna have to tap apply to apply this feature. And in font size, we can change the font size on our keyboard. Basically just move it to the right to increase the font size or to the left to decrease it, and then leave this menu to apply changes. And in custom symbols, we can select symbols on the keyboard that we want to change and then replace them by tapping a new symbol on the keyboard, and you can reset the settings right here. Now these are the settings that are available in the default keyboard. However, you can also customize your keyboard by downloading some third-party applications. For example, the Good Lock by Samsung and some keyboard extensions for it. Or you can simply download a third-party keyboard. For example, Google Keyboard also has some additional customization features to it, or any other keyboard that you can find on Google Play Store. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.